So if you want to maximize cashback on Rakuten in 2026, yeah, this is the full guide to help you earn the most money every time you shop online. First, always start your shopping from Rakuten's website, app, or browser extension before visiting any store. Next, always click Activate Cashback before adding anything to your cart. Now compare cashback percentages across different stores because some offer more than others. Next, combine cashback with promo codes or seasonal discounts for extra savings. Now shop during special events like double cashback days or holiday promotions. Make sure you disable ad blockers and VPNs so your cashback tracks properly. Now avoid switching tabs or devices during checkout. Next, use a cashback credit card on top of Rakuten rewards for extra earnings. Finally, always check your dashboard to confirm your cashback is tracked and approved, and that's it. That's how you maximize cashback on Rakuten step by step in 2026.